Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a way how you can lose weight that actually has been proven with turmeric. Turmeric is one of those amazing herbs, and if you're not using it right now, you should. And if you're wanting to lose weight, what better way to start using it than using it for losing weight? Turmeric can help your body in so many ways, and I've actually done several other videos on it. You can watch my turmeric benefits video and how to detox your liver with turmeric to see just a few other ways that turmeric can be benefiting your body. For weight loss, turmeric can do a lot of things. It has been proven to help to reduce your BMI, weight, waist circumference, and it suppresses the growth of your fat tissues. This is very exciting. And not only does it suppress it, but it helps to get rid of also your visceral fat. And visceral fat is usually the fat that is around your organs and in your gut. And that stubborn belly fat that's really difficult to get rid of no matter how much you exercise, that's the fat. And what's dangerous about this fat is it also harbors a lot of toxins and chemicals that have been put in your body. So taking turmeric in this way will help to get rid of this toxic fat, slim your waistline, and clean out your body. Number 2, turmeric is really great for raising your metabolism. Having a good working metabolism is super important because that is what helps to burn up your calories and helps to regulate those calories that are coming in and burn up those extra fat stores that you don't need. So taking this turmeric daily will help to rev up that metabolism. Number 3, it helps to get rid of all gas and bloating. You know, a lot of times the weight that you think you have is actually just gas or bloating caused by water or gas in your system. So you might look like a lot of weight, but if you start taking turmeric, you'll be amazed that your waistline might suddenly slim down. And this will be why it goes so quickly, is because it was mostly gas and bloating making you look heavier than you actually were. So for some of us, it will help drastically change your waistline quite quickly. Another very important part of turmeric is it helps with your gut health. It's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. And it has been used for years in Ayurvedic medicine for digestive healing of all types. Number 5, it also improves your digestion. This is very important because it helps to create more of the bile juices, which stimulates the digestion to break down your food and all the things that you're taking into your body properly. So the nutrients get absorbed better, the waste gets excreted better, and all of the energy gets used up properly into your body. So this is very important. A lot of times we have eat and the food and things that we take in are not being absorbed and wasted, or you got a lot of chemicals and junk in there that are just being put into fat cells and isolated, and this is what you don't want to happen. And number 6, it can help suppress your appetite. So those feelings of being hungry all the time will become less and less. This works really well. You will notice this feeling of hunger will disappear quite quickly within a few days of you starting to drink this. And you will have smaller and smaller meals, and in turn you will lose weight as you start to eat less. Alright, so how much should we take? You should be taking about a half a teaspoon of fresh turmeric if you can get it. If you cannot, you can use the powdered turmeric, but you need at least 70 milligrams, which is a half a teaspoon. Here are the 4 ways that you can pick to take it, because some of us don't like turmeric or the taste, so there are several ways that you can take it to make it more enjoyable for you. The first way is turmeric with cinnamon and ginger and black pepper. Cinnamon is high in fiber and can help reduce food cravings. It also can boost your metabolism, and the ginger also helps to increase your metabolism. And putting the black pepper in there helps to increase the absorption of the turmeric by up to 500% or more. The second method is my turmeric tea video. You can go and watch it. I'll leave a link in the description box below. This is very effective for weight loss because it has coconut oil in it, which also helps to stimulate body fat loss, especially in the abdominal area. This one I recommend definitely for women to do this one with coconut oil and the black pepper, as it will increase the absorption and also increase your ability to lose that fat faster. It also stimulates the body metabolism, and suppresses the appetite. The third way you can take it is turmeric and mint. So if you really want to change the flavor, put some mint leaves in there and it will have a minty nice tea, and you should enjoy this one. Mint is also great for your digestion and boosts your metabolism as well. The last way you can take it is with ginger and lemon. All of these work together. Lemon and ginger help to improve your digestion and metabolism while working together with the turmeric. So you can pick any one of these 4 methods. Make sure that you bring the ingredients up to a boil and then turn it off and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. You need to take this tea every morning, first thing before you go eat anything or go do anything. Just drink your tea. You want to do it first thing in the morning to help it to get right in there and start working and detoxify your body, energize your organs, get rid of that fat, and this is the best time to take it. If you would like to add some sweetener to it, you need to just use honey. Do not use sugar, fake sweeteners, or any other option. Just use honey. Honey also is great for your metabolism and losing fat, helping you to feel full and lowering your blood pressure. If you put any kind of sugar in here that's not honey, it will be counterproductive and will not be effective for helping you to lose weight. Make sure you do this for at least 8 weeks. You will feel a difference within the first week. But do it for at least 8 weeks to 12 weeks to see a really great significant change in your BMI and your total fat loss. You will be amazed. This has been proven to work, and it's not just me saying it. You can go and start checking it out yourself right now. There are so many studies done of different ways that turmeric has been used to help lose weight. Please leave me a comment down below if you tried it. I love to hear your story and how well it's worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.